are actually trying to achieve peace through us, through our own human work. And I'm really frustrated and sad that human beings haven't advanced peace enough yet. So I think I want to end there with a chapter, with a thought of hope, that I think it was a famous rabbi that said, it's not for us to complete the work, but neither are we permitted to desist from doing our part. I mean, I haven't given the last word on gods in my Tarot of Gods. I mean, I had to leave some out. There are only 78 I could put in there. And I couldn't say everything that I know about all of them, but I've given enough that other people can come and carry on with it. And I think of these as energies, sacred energies of divine consciousness, and that are almost like geographically located. So Pehar is a sort of Tibetan deity. Yahweh is kind of the Holy Land and Jerusalem, which I know and love well, and all around there. But also, they're also cosmic and translocational. Anyway, I'm going to end on that, hopefully, note of hope. Any final questions, comments, before we finish?
I don't. I just want to thank you.
Is that okay? I mean,
Yes.
I hope that you can see that this is quite a subtle tool to use for interfaith peacemaking. I'd love to train a team of UN mediators to go into conflict zones with these tools, sit down with the elders and have these conversations with them. I think we'd get breakthroughs myself. And in Ethiopia, for instance, where there's a man who was raised a Muslim, who converted to Christianity and did a PhD in peace studies. He's now the president of Ethiopia. People like that would understand what I'm talking about and be able to bring hope to their country, and heal the splits between Christians, Muslims and others. It's important work. So anyway, let's finish. Let's give thanks to all these deities. I'm not treating them lightly. These are very powerful, extraordinary things. And thank you for shining light on the human situation through your focuses. Okay, thank you.